Hi, we'll be solving a sequence problem today. So in a sequence, each term starting with the third onward is defined by the following formula. An is equal to an minus 1 minus an minus 2. That means the term is equal to the difference of previous two terms, where n is an integer greater than 2. If the first term of that sequence is 3, that means a1 is equal to 3. And the second term is 4, that means a2 is equal to 4. What is the value of the 70th term of that sequence? That means we need to find a70. Now it is given to us that each term starting with the third term is given by an is equal to an minus 1 minus an minus 2. That means a3 is equal to a2 minus a1 or is equal to 4 minus 3 or equal to 1. Similarly, a4 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. a5 is equal to a4 minus a3 or is equal to minus 3 minus 1 equal to minus 4. a6 is equal to a5 minus a4 or is equal to minus 4 minus minus 3 or equal to minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 1. a7 is equal to a6 minus a5 equal to minus 1 minus minus 4 is equal to minus 1 plus 4 or equal to 3. a8 is equal to a7 minus a6 or is equal to 3 minus minus 1 or equal to 4. Let's try one more. a9 is equal to a8 minus a7 or is equal to 4 minus 3 or equal to 1. Now the series is actually given by 3, 4, 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1, 3, 4, 1 and so on, right? So as we can see, the series is actually repeating after every sixth term, right? So there is a sequence which actually repeats after 6 terms and we need to find the value of the 70th term. So if you look at multiples of 6, so 70 is actually equal to 66 plus 4. That means till 66, this sequence will repeat of the 6 numbers. And we need to find the fourth value after that, right? So the fourth value is first, second, third, and fourth. That means a70th is equal to minus 3 and answer will be option number B. Now in this kind of problems, the idea is to figure out a pattern in the sequence and then use that pattern to figure out the answer to the question. Now, if you want to master the concepts of sequence, do check out the detailed video provided in the description of this video, where I teach you the concepts of sequence from scratch. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.